Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for the HP Laptop 17 No that won't turn on. Let's dive in and diagnose the issue step by step. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. These will help you access the internal components of your laptop safely. Begin by ensuring that your laptop is completely powered off. Disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery. If your model has a removable battery, this is crucial for the next steps. Next, inspect the power adapter for any visible damage. If it appears damaged, you may need to replace it. Use the multimeter to check the voltage output of the adapter. If it's not within the specified range, consider getting a new adapter. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation if you prefer expert help. Once you've confirmed the power adapter is functional, let's check the power jack on the laptop. Sometimes, the connection can become loose or damaged. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the laptop casing, being careful not to damage any clips. Look for the power jack and inspect it for any signs of wear. If the jack is loose, it might need to be resoldered. If you're not comfortable with this, we can assist with our pickup and delivery at your home service. Now, let's move on to the internal components. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Place the screws in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the back panel is off, you'll have access to the motherboard and other components. Check for dust buildup inside. Dust can cause overheating and prevent the laptop from turning on. Use compressed air to carefully clean out any dust from the fans and components. Ensure that the RAM modules are securely seated. Remove them and reseat them to ensure good contact. If after all these steps your laptop still won't power on, it may be a motherboard issue or a failed component. At this point, you can seek a quote before repair from us to get a better idea of the costs involved. Reassemble the laptop casing and reconnect the battery. Plug in the power adapter and try turning it on. If it powers on, congratulations. If not, it may require further professional assessment. Remember, we are here to help with no calls or travel needed, just a simple service at your convenience. That's it for our troubleshooting guide. By following these steps, you can diagnose and potentially fix your HP Laptop 17 No. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.